Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create the different sort of stuff, how to do the daily routine tasks. If you are a professional with a specific designation or if you're just general purpose user. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you how Claude works. So there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First, there are plugins, connectors, and skills. These are the three core things that everything in the cloud revolves around. For example, the skills is a section where you add a specific skill. If you are good at something, just tell the Claude and ask it to tell it explicitly, giving all the information that you have about that thing, and create an empty file and then add it to the skill section. Now you have you might be using different sort of platforms like Notion, Google Sheets, Canva, Microsoft 365, Gmail, Figma, Notion, all this stuff. You can add and control it using the Claude from here. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. You will see that I can add Google Drive, Slack, Adobe Creativity, and all the connectors that you can think of. Now, once I have added those connectors, I can work on it. For example, I can ask it to work on my Gmail by just giving a single prompt. Now, for the plugins, if you go to the plugins, you will see a lot of plugins over here like web prospecting, Twilio developer kit, ServiceNow SDK, and all that files that you need to do if you are a professional. Now, what I have added so far is the design because I'm working on the design perspective. Over here, I can just go ahead and install it from here. You can uninstall it as well. I have already installed it. Now, I'm fully prepared to use it for my all sort of tasks. Like if I want to go ahead and code, I can do that. If I want to go ahead and ask it to, delete a specific email from my Gmail or reply to it, it can do that. And it can also set the appointments from the calendar. It can also see my emails and all that stuff. So it's pretty good, pretty easy. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.